Hello everyone. I have already created a project on .NET, a simple project for product, and I have already migrated to my database using .NET EF update database update. Okay. Now, what I have to do is restore our database. I have to restore a existing database on Docker. Since I'm using a Mac for my development, I have to install Docker on my Mac device, and I have to be sure that Docker is running. Okay, let me check here. Docker is already installed. Docker desktop is already installed on my Mac, and I have to start Docker. Docker is also now running. Uh, I have also created a docker compose.yml file and written command for setting up the SQL server here. Mm, okay. Uh, mm, Breaking it down, we can see here version, which specifies the docker compose version. Uh, Now we can create the services. uh, each services will each services MS, these services will represent a container here. I have written MS SQL is the service name for MS SQL, which will be used to identify the SQL Server container. Okay. Container name is MS SQL Server. You can write anything here. And the host name is also saved for communication. It is MS SQL DB here. This will represent the network name for Docker, and this image will be installed on Docker for SQL Server. And EULA means end user license agreement. Okay, I nearly forgot this. EULA, end user license agreement for SQL Server, and I have said yes to this. This will create user ESA by default, and the password for user ESA is defined here. And I have also defined the platform to install, that is Linux AMD 64. You can define Windows or anything, any platform that is compatible for SQL Server. Now, now directory for data is defined here, MS SQL data directory. Also, I have created some volumes here for data, logs, secrets, backup. You can see this on our project directory, revealing finder. Okay, data, and where is log? Log and secrets and backup. Backup is empty here. Now I'll copy a backup file here, and I will restore that backup to our Docker file. Okay, by using this user SA the and password, this, let me try to connect. Okay, I have forgot this. By default, SQL Server port is 14, TCP port is 1433, and I'm exposing this 1433 port to 1455, and I will be connecting using SSMS or now I'm using Azure DB Studio, and I will use this port for the connection. Okay, let me okay, let's see. Localhost comma this user, and password is capital A D M I N @ 123, and let me connect. It's taking long time, but I'm sure we can't connect right now because uh, SQL Server instance on my Docker is not running right now. Docker is down. So let me start the instance and check again. Clear. Okay, Docker is running now. Okay, it's connecting. And I have a existing database Docker sample. Now I will be importing, restoring another database, and let me do it. CD downloads LOADS downloads /db ls. I have a sample underscore db.bak file here. Now, okay, from here, cp from downloads /db /sample underscore db dot bak to, I will copy to backup. Okay, backup. Oh, I have seen backup underscore db is copied. Sorry, sample.db is copied from downloads db folder to my directory backup folder. Now I will use Azure DB Studio for this. Okay, I will use new query and I will write some command here. Backup restore and database for your name. I will create restore underscore db. Okay, now from where I will be restoring this backup, I have to define this from disk. From where? From where or not there? Where I'll be sorry, restoring from backup sample underscore db dot bak. Now I'll be with move. We have to get the mdf and ldf name of that log and data name of that database. Okay, what we can do is restore what? File only, file list only, and file list of this database. Okay, we have this name with move. mdf for this, and what will be the other way to move? I have to move this to my data file is mdf and is ldf slash database name will be restore underscore db dot mdf comma. Similarly, what I have to do is copy, that is move log file to this underscore log dot ldf. So let me execute this now. uh, okay, what I have to do is backup, not backup. I am restoring there, restoring data base. Let me execute, let me comment this, control C. I think restoration has been completed. Okay, restore database successfully proceed. Okay, let me just refresh this. I can see the tables here and views, there's no views, and finally database is restored.